Now here we are up in, just left our pickup in Carrington, North Dakota, and they got a blizzard coming through. And as you can tell, I didn't buy the heated wipers again this year. I forgot. And so right now, my windshield's a little bit messed up, but it is, man, this wind is just a blowing. We got 45 miles an hour. We already had a big truck pass us. One of those grain hauler super trucks. Well, I'm sorry, but I cleaned my window off, my blades off already about 10 minutes ago. So yeah, so I guess I'm gonna have to pick up those if I can remember. I think what I'll do is we got like 30 miles till we get to 94. So probably what I'll do is when I get down here, if there's a safe place to pull off, I'll pull off and clean the wipers and shoot. And oh shoot. Ah, Jesus. And I'm gonna write down. Don't forget the wipers, you dumbass. I say I'm gonna get them every year. Every year I say. I tell my wife I'm gonna get those blades. Well, if I could have gotten this low like it was supposed to be yesterday, then we would have been out of here before this storm came in. But of course we couldn't. That's the joys of driving truck. They say that once you hit 94, it's supposed to be nothing but rain. But I don't know. I don't trust it. You know how those weather people can be wrong. I'm just trying not to put her in the ditch, so we're just gonna go, easy and take it slow. Safety of me and little Maxie is more important than anything else. And of course, you don't want nothing to happen to your moneymaker. But yeah, so that's what we'll end up doing. We'll order those and then we'll get the regular blades for the summertime. And that way we'll have it on I'm going to have it on a toggle switch. Because there's times it gets down to 34 and stuff, but it's not raining out or nothing. So there shouldn't be no reason, the wipers would even come on, the heat wise. So what we'll do is we'll have them on a toggle switch, and that way we'll be able to turn them off and on at our leisure. Down here, 'cause I hate running my windshield wipers at a high speed, but I'm trying to keep it I'm trying to get some of the ice to break off, but it's 11 degrees, so it's not working. I mean, I could, clean them off, but then, 5 minutes later, they're going to be iced right back over again. Plus, there ain't no safe place here to pull over. So we're not going to hit the shoulder. We're going to wait until safe place to do it. Yes, that's what we got going on here. Like I said, as soon as I get it down here, we'll get these wipers cleaned off and well, get the windshield all cleaned off and stuff. And we're not gonna be doing too much, as in, we're just driving. Picked up this load, like I said, headed down to Georgia, and then we'll have to get another load after that. We're not expected to be home until around the 17th of June. We have something going on. I'm thinking if the temperature rises, the ice might just fall off the wipers without me having to get out there and slap them. Time to be able to say a little bit more. So it must be true. It must be raining down here. So that's not really too good because that means it's going to turn into ice. Or it probably already turned into ice. And it's covered over by this snow that's blowing around too. And that will make for some dangerous driving conditions. So what we'll do is we get on the 94. We'll check to make sure there's spray coming off our tires and stuff like that. That's how you can notice if it's iced over or not, is if you have spray coming off your tires. Off your tires, the guy beside you, in front of you, whatever. But you always still want to take it slow. I mean, you don't want to think, oh, well, yeah, there's spray coming off, off my tires and stuff. Let me pick my speed up. You never know what could happen, up the road, You always want to be a little safe. Because there ain't no load worth your life. You getting injured or whatever. Shoot. You can see, but you can't really see too well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let you guys go for right now. We got 22 miles before we get there. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find a. I was hoping it'd be a truck stop on this road. There was one back there at Casey's where I picked a load up, but I need a safe place to pull over so I can smack these wipers. But it's not. Don't look like that's gonna happen. If I keep this ice on here too much longer, it's gonna jack my wipers up, and then I'll have to buy another set. But let me let you guys go, and I'll get back to you when I get to 94.